Hi everyone and welcome back to this channel, and in this video I am going to tell you the actual procedure that you have to follow to read CA Final Direct Taxation. The procedure has been divided into 4 simple steps. The first step is to watch revision videos. See, generally we all take classes for CA Final Direct Tax and several other subjects also, but at the end we all only refer the revision videos of the teachers. So referring the best revision videos is our responsibility. We should not make any kind of mistake in choosing the best revision video. So I am going to tell you the one of the best revision videos that you can find on the YouTube that you should only refer. I suggest you, request you or recommend you his revision video only for CA Final Direct Taxation. And he is Shirish sir. Like, you just watch his playlist for CA Final Direct Taxation. You need not refer any other teachers. Even if you are taking classes from any other teacher also, you just refer his revision videos only. The revision videos of Shirish sir will be little bit lengthy than the other teachers, but you can watch his classes in 2x speed properly. Like, even if you watch at 2x speed also, you will feel like 1x speed only. And I'm telling you, his videos are best revision videos that you can find in YouTube. You might have taken classes from many other teachers, also several other teachers, but you should only watch revision videos of his only. See, if you watch his revision videos, you need not specifically devote a lot of time in reading the concept notes, because his classes are more than enough. Even if you don't read the concept notes also, you will be able to recollect most of the concepts. But it's our responsibility to read the concept notes once. So that comes to the second step, is reading our own concept notes. See, you might have taken classes from many other teachers, like Atul Agarwal sir, Shubham sir, Yash Khandelwal sir, Aarish sir. There are many teachers for CA Final Direct Taxation. So you will definitely have their own concept notes. So you can refer their concept notes. So the step 1 is to watch Shirish sir revision videos. Second step is to read the concept notes. Whichever teacher book you have, you just read their concept notes only. And third steps comes to solve the questions. Most of the students, including me, have done one simple mistake called not solving the questions in direct taxation. See, direct taxation is equals to FR in group 1. Direct taxation and indirect taxation are equally important as FR and AFM. In the 4 subjects, even if you just read the concept notes, you will never be able to solve the questions. You have to practically solve the questions. Then only you are able to solve the questions in the examination. Most of the people forget this particular thing when it comes to direct tax. We read a lot of concept notes multiple amount of time, but we will never solve the questions. If you once try to solve the question, then you will understand the importance of solving the questions in direct taxation very specifically. If you just read the concept notes for 100 times also, in the exam you are not able to score 40 also if you are not solve the questions of the direct taxation. So it is very important. So that is the third step, that you have to solve the questions. And the fourth step is you make sure that you make short notes of every concept that you read, or else at least the questions you solve. See, I am giving the basic example which I made for the ITC chapter of GST. These are the simple steps. I mentioned the question number. I mentioned what is the main key adjustment that I have to make if the same question coming in the exam. This makes us to revise in 1.5 days. See, generally in 1.5 days we will never have a time to solve the questions of direct tax and indirect tax. We will only have limited amount of time where we can only read the concept notes. So while we are preparing for the CA Final Direct Tax, first you watch revision videos as per step 1, and then you read the concept notes, and as per step 3 you solve the questions. Step 4, you make sure that when you are solving the questions, identify those points from each question and mention in separate page. Like, if as per question number 3, let's assume you are solving question number 3, you find it little difficult, then in a page you mention that question number 3, if the sentence is given in the question like this, you should answer in a such a way so that you can able to recollect. In 1.5 day exam, you can only refer those summary notes which you have prepared through the question bank. If you can only refer that particular page, it is enough. You need not specifically devote a lot of time in 1.5 day to solve the questions or the question bank entirely. You need not even solve the important questions also if you make this summary notes. So it is very important to follow these 4 steps. And if you done these 4 steps properly, then it is enough that you can able to attend this CA Final Direct Taxation. And for pgbp chapter, very specifically for pgbp chapter, and for 1.5 day, I am talking about this 1.5 day before the exam, enter pgbp adjustment sheet will be there. For that you watch Shubham singhal sir notes. Like, Shubham singhal sir will definitely upload a video of pgbp adjustment sheet. You should watch only his class. For any other chapter you can refer Shirish sir class only, but pgbp adjustment sheet, I am talking about adjustment. For pgbp revision video you watch Shirish class only, but for adjustment sheet, you just watch Shubham single sir class. He will explain you each and every adjustment that will come in the exam. Out of the 100 adjustment which he might have explained to you in the class, no, that will be finished in 1.5 hours only. Most of the adjustments come from his adjustment sheet. See, every teacher make the same adjustment sheet, but Shubham Singhal sir makes the adjustment sheet and he will explain you in a very short period of time. See, in 1.5 days you can't able to cover every chapter or every syllabus. But if you find a revision videos which can be explain the same amount of topic in short amount of time, no, that will be beneficial for us. So for pgbp adjustment sheet, you refer Shubham Singhal sir video, and for the entire syllabus of CA final direct accession, you watch only revision videos of Shirish vyas sir classes, and this should be happening in first revision time. Like generally you just devote 6 hours of time for direct accession every day if you are able to devote. For 5 hours you just watch the revision video. In the next 1 hour, out of 6 hours, 5 hours you watch the revision videos of Shirish vyas sir, and in the next 1 hour you will be very easily able to cover the entire concept through the concept notes in 1 hour. And after that, devote 2 hours of time to solve the questions of the whatever the concept you have studied, no, devote 2 hours of time to solve those questions. And after while solving, no, in the 2 hours you make the short notes of the questions. As I said, no, if these adjustments come in this exam, you should able to solve in this way. You just mention this kind of thing, you just follow this procedure, you will definitely able to solve the questions of CA final direct accession, and you will able to complete the syllabus revision in 1.5 day if you follow this procedure. And that's it. Thank you.